हेलो गाइस, ये है मेरे फ्रेंड्स पीछे। हेलो गाइस। ए मादरचोद, व्लॉग हो रहा है भाई।
Hello YouTube, what is the goddamn deal? How are you guys doing? I hope you guys doing great. Everything is great with you guys. And by the way, well, today I have some special plans. That's why I had dressed so nice and so well in these formal apparels, because today I invited my friends on a lunch party, because as you know I have set up this new studio and this new place. I have just relocated to this place, so I thought why not just invite friends, because I just can't invite my family here in Delhi, so just invite friends and celebrate with them a little bit. So I thought, yeah, let's just make a vlog and share that celebration with you guys, because you are a part of my life as well. So yeah, let's start the preparations for the day today. Behind my beautiful suits is this mask. Okay guys, let's go outside and buy some eatables. I have a gut instinct that it is gonna be a nice day, so let's go out there, do some shopping, some bakery, something nice to eat, some initial eatables, and then we look what we do, what are you gonna do for lunch and other stuff. So yep. Finally we got a bakery. Let's go in there and see if there's something for us. And yep, let's go.
अरे भैया ये कोई बिस्किट्स वगैरह होंगे?
Well, got a lot of stuff. Now it's time to head back towards our room. And guys, a small change of plan. Maybe I would be going with my friend Saurabh to grab some more bakery, maybe some cakes, because the more the good it is for all of us, because I just want to make this day much more memorable. So yeah, my friend Saurabh is coming very soon. We're gonna go out there and get some more bakery for our friends. So let's go guys.
What is the goddamn deal, bro? क्या हाल है?
सब बढ़िया, आओ बैठो।
ये पीछे रख दो।
Actually, I thought ki to make this day memorable, I'll capture each and every montage and doing thing. And then we finally moved to look for some nice bakery where we can buy some nice cake, and then we got this bakery, which was a good one. And I and Saurabh went in there and bought a nice cake, a butterscotch one, and we came back and yeah. Now we were ready for the lunch party. Talking about the lunch party, it didn't happen as I expected it to be. It went good. I mean, from the very beginning when everyone arrived, I mean, it was so exciting welcoming them all to this lunch party, and really, it was a great day. We enjoyed playing cards, talking about old times, nostalgia we had. It was really good enjoying those snacks with some nice tea, and just getting lost in the moment, doing some dance karaoke's and just dancing, getting completely lost in that moment. It felt so good, so memorable, that now I look back, it feels really great. And birthday celebration of Ashu in advance, it was really nice. I mean, it was kind of serendipity, but a real good one. And the way we celebrated it was a real good, complete frenzy. I mean, yeah, it was good time. Looking back, it feels so nostalgic.
हेलो गाइस, ये है मेरे फ्रेंड्स पीछे। हेलो गाइस, ए मादरचोद, व्लॉग हो रहा है भाई।
It was a good party, guys.